We love our dogs like family, and they depend on us. As pack leaders, it's our responsibility to be ready for anything because emergencies don't always give us a warning bark. Knowing how to perform CPR on your dog could be the difference between life and death. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to perform CPR on your dog step by step. It's like teaching a dog to sit, stay, or come, but for you. It could save your best friend's life. We'll cover everything from checking for signs of life to performing chest compressions and rescue breaths. We'll keep it simple, we'll keep it calm, and we'll do it together. The first step is knowing when CPR is needed. In an emergency, every second is critical. So, how do you know if your dog needs CPR? First, check for responsiveness. Gently call their name or try a soft touch to see if they respond. Remember, staying calm is essential. Your energy transmits to your dog, even in emergencies. Next, check for breathing. Look for the rise and fall of their chest. You can also feel for breath by placing your hand close to their nose. If you don't see or feel anything, it's time to act. Finally, check for a heartbeat. Place your ear near the dog's chest, right behind their elbow. Can you feel it? Is it faint? If there's no heartbeat, CPR needs to start immediately. Now, gently lay your dog on their right side. Think of it like they're taking a nap, but we need to ensure their airway is open. Keep their head and neck straight, like an arrow. This position allows air to flow freely. Imagine their spine as a straight line. No kinks in the hose. We need that clear airway for our rescue breaths to be effective. Now we need to locate the correct spot for chest compressions. This step is crucial for effective CPR. For larger dogs over 30 pounds, place your hands over the widest part of their chest, just behind their front legs. For smaller dogs and puppies, adjust your hand placement accordingly. You might use one hand or even just your fingers, depending on their size. Remember, firm but gentle is the key. We're not trying to break ribs, we're trying to restart a heart. Let's talk about chest compressions. Press down firmly but gently, about 1/3 to 1/2 the depth of the chest. Imagine you're pressing on a ripe melon. Apply enough pressure but don't crush it. After every 30 compressions, it's time for rescue breaths. Gently close your dog's mouth and create a seal over their nose with your mouth. Now, give 2 gentle breaths, just enough to see their chest rise. Think of it like inflating a balloon, slow and steady. After each breath, allow the air to escape naturally before giving the next. We're simulating their natural breathing pattern. Continue with cycles of 30 compressions and 2 rescue breaths. Don't stop until your dog starts breathing on their own or help arrives. Remember, CPR is a first aid measure for emergencies. It's not a substitute for professional veterinary care. If your dog is breathing normally or conscious, do not perform CPR. Instead, contact your vet immediately. CPR should only be performed when there's no other option. Practice makes perfect, especially for something as important as CPR. Consider taking a pet first aid class for hands-on experience. And always keep your vet's emergency contact information on hand. With just a few simple steps, you can be the difference between life and loss for your furry friend. At CPR Savers, we're here to help you prepare. Meet Otis, our latest canine CPR training model designed to educate pet owners on essential life-saving techniques. Otis features a molded body positioned for optimal CPR administration, nostrils, a retractable tongue, a replaceable and hygienic airway, and a foam-filled body that provides realistic resistance for chest compressions. He even has a simulated femoral pulse to make your training as lifelike as possible. Otis is built to ensure not only the longevity of the training model itself, but also the well-being of your beloved canine companions. If you're interested, contact us at 1-800-48-01277 or visit our website at www.cpr-savers.com. Thank you for watching, and remember, staying calm is key.